Working at AMI allows you to feel proud, feel accomplished, and feel that what you're doing has a purpose. I've been working at AMI for 4.5 years. Things I like about AMI, great benefits, great bunch of people to work with, cheerful environment, positive environment. I started AMI as a welder. I was looking for a job and I had welding experience, experience with working in manufacturing facilities, and it just seemed like the perfect place to start. The facility here is brand new. My staff and my crew use modern equipment, and that helps make the job so much easier. I was attracted to work at AMI because it was a local company, it was a growing company, and there was definite prospects for my future here. Some of the benefits of working here are the competitive wages, the pension plan. At AMI, there's a culture of teamwork. It involves everybody to get a product out the door. The people here at AMI, they're friendly and they're very experienced professionals in their fields. I'm really proud to work at a place where there's a focus on innovation. What I like best about AMI is seeing the finished product and knowing that I had a part in it. I couldn't ask for a greater place to work.